About my science fair project. So my name is Alex, and I wanted to know what liquid melts one ice cube the fastest. So what I did was I would get my measuring cup out, and I would get the same amount of liquid each time. And I would pour it into this cup, and I would place one ice cube in, and then I would start the timer and wait for it to dissolve. So I'd stir the cup. And so my hypothesis was that coffee would melt one ice cube the fastest compared to water, milk, Infuse, which is sort of like Gatorade, cranberry juice, and Pepsi. So after I recorded the results of how long it took to melt one ice cube, I would put that in my graph, and I would do that 4 times. So I had a good amount. And then so I would find the average of that amount, and then I found the average, and I would display that on my graph, which is right here. So my results were that water was first, and milk second, then Infuse, then creative grape juice, then coffee, then Pepsi. So my hypothesis was not supported, and coffee came in 5th out of 6 different liquids. So I was sort of surprised by this, but I think this was because, the coffee is meant to be hot, and since I had to keep all the temperature even, I put them in the fridge, and then the day I was going to do the experiment, I took them out in the morning. So I let them go to room temperature, and so I made sure that they were all room temperature so that it would be fair. But since it was going back and forth, I don't think the coffee really liked that, and it's not used to that, so it was hard for it. And Pepsi is mostly carbonated water, and so it's more carbonated and acid-like, so and that's how it melts the ice cube, but it didn't really do so well because I had to open it, and it was more flat, so it didn't melt it as quick. Do you have any questions?